Welcome to CertLogic. Let's take a quick tour and show you how to get started. To enter the dashboard, simply click Get Started in the top right corner. From here, you'll see our login screen where you can sign in with Google or register an account using your email and password. If you don't have an account yet, just click Sign Up. It's the standard account creation process, and once completed, you'll be ready to go. For this demo, I'll sign in with Google. After logging in, you'll land on a screen where you can either create a company or view company invites. Creating a company is for customers who want to upload and manage their own calibration certificates. Viewing invites is for users whose calibration provider is giving them viewer access to their data. Let's create a company. Enter a company name and optionally a department. Anyone can create a company, but uploading certificates requires a subscription plan. Click Create Company and you'll be prompted to select a plan. Click View Pricing Plans to see all available options. You can choose monthly or annual billing and select the company you want the subscription tied to. The starter companies go for $99 a month, which includes one admin, one viewer, and 100 uploads per month. The professional companies go for $249 a month, which includes 2 admins, 5 viewers, 250 uploads per month. The business companies go for $500 a month. That includes 5 admins, 20 viewers, 500 uploads per month. For enterprise companies, please contact us at support@certlogic.us. This account is fully customizable for larger organizations based on scale. Once you complete your subscription, you'll be welcomed into CertLogic and prompted to upload your first certificate. Your first upload helps CertLogic's AI learn from your formatting preferences and identify which certificate fields matter to you. Click Upload First Certificate, drag and drop your file, and CertLogic will begin analyzing it. This takes typically between 15 to 30 seconds. After processing, you'll see every field the AI detected. You can simply select the fields you want to be displayed in your database and deselect anything you don't need. For example, whether you prefer due date or expiry date is completely up to you. Click Complete Setup and a brief on-screen tutorial will guide you through our key features. Clicking Next leads you into our first button, Adding Certificate. Here you can upload single or batch certificates, or you can even manually enter the data if you don't have a PDF. Clicking Next moves you onto the Manage Columns section, where you can show or hide any database field at any time. Moving on, we have Export Data, which allows you to export your filtered dataset as a CSV for Excel or generate a branded PDF. Continuing, we move on to the Search and Filters. Here you can quickly filter by any field that you have active in your database. Next, we have the Company Switcher. If you belong to multiple companies, you can switch them here. Second to last, we have the Calendar View. Here you can view upcoming, expired, and overdue certificates in a clean monthly layout. Lastly, we have Settings and More. This allows you to access your user settings, billing information, company management, and a lot more. Once the tutorial is complete, you can click Get Started to view your first certificate. The certificate appears in this table, in this case red, because it's overdue. In the top left of the web page, you'll notice that there's 5 different categories your certificates get put in after upload. Anytime you upload certificates, they first appear under the Need Review category. This ensures accuracy. Even though the AI extracts the data, we still encourage a human to verify it. You can also view valid certificates, expiring soon certificates, and overdue/expired certificates. To upload more certificates, click the Add Certificate button, choose Upload Certificate. Here you can drag or drop single files or batch files. In this case, I'm going to be drag and dropping all the historical documents for the asset we've already introduced to the database. You'll notice that CertLogic checks for duplicates. You can cancel, you can upload all new files, or you can upload all of them anyways. Once you click one of the upload options, you'll see a process happening in the bottom left corner as the AI scrapes and structures your data. You'll notice while in the beta testing phase, after a successful upload, in the bottom left corner it'll ask you if the data extraction was accurate. By hitting yes or no, it helps us improve the quality system behind CertLogic. After extraction, certificates appear in a yellow review tag. From here, you can approve individually or you can select multiple and approve in a batch. Once approved, any new assets will be shown in your database and older certificates become historical records under the same asset. You can click an item to see its entire calibration history. Double-clicking an asset will bring you to the calendar page. You can pull the records from any asset by clicking the Export button to generate CSV files or PDFs. You can also filter by date ranges, choose which fields to include, or export all. In this case, I'm just going to cancel. Clicking the ellipses next to any asset will open an option menu with a few different selections. The first one we're going to cover is Managing Tags. Creating custom tags with custom colors is helpful for marking critical equipment, department, statuses, or workflows. You can filter by tags instantly from the dashboard. From the same ellipses menu, you can archive and delete a certificate. Archived items aren't removed, they are moved into the Archive tab at the top of the dashboard. Inside the Archive view, you can restore equipment, permanently delete the selected records, or browse all the archived history grouped by item name. One of the other tabs at the top you'll notice is the Calendar view. The Calendar view shows everything from upcoming due dates, expired certificates, or overdue equipment. You can navigate to any month or year and export your calendar to CSV for reporting or scheduling. The last page at the top is the Metrics dashboard. Under Metrics dashboard, CertLogic provides performance insights and compliance data. Metrics include equipment utilization, compliance status, total calibrations this year, calibrations this month, certificates expiring this month, overdue calibrations, calibrations by month, multi-year calibration trends, pass-fail out-of-tolerance rates, and drift analysis for equipment with 2+ data points. This section continues to expand as customers request more analytics. One of the last important features of this platform is the settings and users management. Here you can find this in the top right by clicking the cogwheel icon. From there, you can see things like who's logged in, the account info, company settings, manage users, your billing information, your company invites, and the ability to create a new company, as well as our logout. The first section, account information, just shows your name, your email address, your role, your member since date, your password reset, and you can delete your account. Deleting your account removes you from all companies and cancels plans if you're the only admin. The second option is company settings for any company you are assigned to as an admin. This here will show the name of the company, the current subscription plan, max admins, max viewers, and how many certificates you've uploaded this month. You also have the option to upgrade your package, cancel your subscription, you can leave the company, and delete the company. The third option is the Manage Users section. Here, you can see how many admins you have, how many viewers you have, and your active team members. Note that on your team members, it will show you their last login date, so you can filter by that. You also have the option to invite new users via email. Once they register with the platform, it'll show up in their company invites. You can also select if this new member is going to have a viewer permissions or admin permissions. The next section we have is the billing area. Here, you can see all companies that you're associated with, the company's subscription plans, you can upgrade your plan, and you can cancel your subscriptions from here. The second to last option is company invites. Here, you can view invites to other companies and if you're going to get the administrator role or the viewer role. The last section we have is the create a company section. This is the same process you went through when you registered your account, and you'll have to purchase a subscription to upload any certificates. Lastly, you can also log out using the settings menu. That concludes your walkthrough of CertLogic, your AI-powered calibration certificate management system. Upload certificates, centralize your data, stay compliant, and save countless hours on manual entry. If you're ready to get started, we'd love to help you simplify your calibration process.